Hello, in this video I am going to explain an IoT based project where I am going to use Arduino Uno to measure a distance between two objects. So I am using here Arduino Uno ultrasound sensor and 16:2 LCD display. The Arduino Uno is nothing but it sends the data, process it over the software, or we can use an internet based server to process it, and we will give its output to drive another device. Here I am displaying the data on a LCD display, and IoT is nothing but Internet of Things is nothing but the sensing the data from a sensor, process it over the internet, and again control the another object which is connected via internet. So first I will explain you the code. This is the coding part where I mention I use my LCD display in 4-bit mode. So pin number 6, 7, 5, 4 and 3, 2. These are the pins I have connected to Arduino board, and the trigger and echo pin of my sensor is connected to pin number 11 of Arduino, and echo pin is connected to pin number 10. As we know that in Arduino the PWM outputs or inputs is at the right hand side. We can use that pin as an input as well as output. After that I mention here how I want my data to be displayed. I mention here distance in centimeter and distance in inch. After that I mention here how it will process the data, when it will read and write the data, and how much delay will be there. I mention here 2 microseconds of delay, and the formula to calculate the distance. Distance is nothing but velocity into time. I divide it by 2 because the total time is nothing but the signal taking it from transmitter side to object and again reflecting with object and again coming back at the receiver side. That's why I divided by 2. Now I am going to simulate it. Just the simulation is start, and you can see here the blue color object, and the distance of that blue color object from a sensor is 21 in centimeter and 8 in inch. So it is 8 inch away from a sensor, or we can convert it as per our need. We can convert it into meter or in kilometer. Thank you.